Mami Joyce, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at pag-intindi mo sa aming mga anak mo kahit super kulit na namin. And ikaw yung dahilan kung bakit matatag pa rin yung pamilya natin. Kahit anong sira nila, kahit ano nila sa atin, still andito pa rin ang Abdenas. Chill bomb. And ikaw yung dahilan yun. And sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo, and stay who you are, stay pretty, mami. Wag mong isipin yung mga basher na yan. Wala naman silang ambag sa buhay mo. And sana magkaroon ka ng boyfriend. Ingat ka palagi. I love you. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday again, Mami Joyce.
Hello, Tita Joyce. Happy birthday. This is Dicky, your pamangkin. Sana maging masaya ang araw mo ngayong araw na to. At sana, lagaan mo ang sarili mo at huwag ka na magpapalaw ulit. By the way, enjoy your day and have a good day. Happy birthday. Asim mo.
Inan, may ginaw sila.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.
Happy
Miss
birthday,
you.
Mina.
Ingat.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Papa, Inat.
Happy birthday, Mommy Joyce, and more blessing to come. Ay, more baby to come pala. Ay, sheesh!
Happy birthday, Apo. Marami pa sanang blessing mula kay Papa God ang ipagkaloob sa'yo. You deserve it. Dahil mabait kang tao, maging masaya at espesyal sana ang araw ng iyong kaarawan. At sana mapasaya ka namin sa iyong kaarawan at sa aming special na regalo para sa iyo. Again, happy birthday, Apo. I love you.
Yan na. Happy birthday sa iyo, Madam Joyce. Stay mature and stay pretty. And ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. Wish you a good health at Stay Strong Laji. Sayo, enjoy your day. Mommy, love you happy. Happy birthday.
Yung, happy birthday si Mami Joyce. More birthdays to come. Salamat sa mga tulong mo. Tapos sabi ni baby, punta ka daw dito sa binyag. Joke lang. Si Storm. At in behalf na lang, happy birthday daw. Salamat daw sa gift mo. Thank you, Mami Joyce. We love you all. Always. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Joyce. Wishing you nothing but happiness, good health, and more blessings this year. Thank you for being such an amazing friend and for always being there. Sanama achieve mo lahat ng goals and dreams. Mo at sanamas marami pang opportunities and happy memories ang dumating sayo. Enjoy your special day. Don't forget to smile, laugh, and celebrate to heal deserve mo lahat ng magagandang bagay sa buhay. Stay kind, stay humble, and stay awesome. Happy birthday, Ulit. God bless you always. And remember, nay, I am always here for you. Cheers to more years of friendship. Hi, Mommy Joyce. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank you for being a second keep. Mom, even kahit say apps langji nagabayan mo kami at Tanutulungan. Thank you for everything. Enjoy your day. From your masamang anak fallen. Happy birthday, Mommy. Wish you more blessings and birthdays to come and always take care. God bless you, Pots.